You must run the following command to install the Steghide. Steghide is a steganography program capable of hiding data in a various variety of image and audio files. A steganography tool that allows you to cover confidential records inside a picture or sound record with a passphrase. Check the manual for the tool for the additional usage information. So we created a text file named example.txt, in which we wrote our confidential data and images. And the file JPEG is the file in which we are embedding our data. And the resultant file with the text file hidden is datafile.jpg. One can notice the size difference in both the files, which make us believe that the data successfully gets hidden in the file. You can use do not compress if you don't want the secret file to be compressed before it is going to be hidden. Using Steghide adds an extra layer of security by allowing us to use a password for it. As long as you know the passphrase, it is quite easy to extract data from the image. I just confirmed you that both the files are the same. If you want to know more about this, you can let me know in the comments. You can change the encryption methods to hide the file and can do more with this. If you have enjoyed learning about hacking with me, leave a comment telling how you have applied this piece of technique. Of course, I'm not responsible for your actions, and this is for educational purposes only.
Leave a like if you enjoy the video, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for upcoming tutorials.